My video guide is about removing the scary pop-ups that come from the site ppredtearums.com. Some people may suddenly see these pop-ups by the site ppredtearums.com. And by the way these pop-ups are presented may be different. In this particular case, as you can see them on my computer, these pop-ups display pretty frustrating messages mentioning that your computer is infected after surfing the web and that you need to protect your PC. Some other versions of these same pop-ups use other deceptive statements. For instance, the pop-up could mention that you need to click on this special allow button integrated into the pop-up in order to watch some movie or to prove that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. And if people mistakenly click on that allow button, the browser gets hijacked with multiple pop-ups that will be randomly attacking the computer screen. Anyway, it is a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups by ppredtearums.com. So don't trust them, don't interact with these fake alerts. I would recommend that you carefully research your computer and your control panel in particular. Check the list of the programs. If you find something suspicious on the list, get rid of it. I also recommend carefully investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.